This is the kind of place you just don't want to leave.
Do you never want to leave?
I don't ever want to leave.
I don't ever want to.
Let's go cruising round this island. Never seen skies with these views. Got me stumbling. Can already tell it's gonna be a good day. What do you say we never leave?
Earthscape is awesome.
We've got a great team, and just work-life balance is amazing.
Everyone has that integrity and that professionalism and deep care.
You're working with a group of people that celebrates each other.
It is a place that is going to be like your long-term, happy workplace home.
Earthscape is a place for opportunity.
With fun people and a fun place to be.
They're not just coworkers, they become friends.
The bus driver with the big wheel, and then, you know, kind of.
Every day's a fun day.
Good vibe.
So I never want to leave.
We never leave.
I don't want to leave.
Yeah!